Hey guys, Igor here, and today I will show you how to change battery on the wrist watch. The brand name is ARMTRON. It's waterproof watch, water resistant, sorry. So it has the model ARMTRON-408295. If you guys already know how to do it, just disregard that video. This is just for those who doesn't know or who wants to know or who just curious. So the tools you need, just a small size Phillips head screwdriver, and the batteries CR2025. The link will be in the description under the video. So let's begin. So what we need to do, just flip it back, loose those four screws. It's very important not to lose those small screws, they're easy to lose. Yeah, so just remember how the battery sits here. Just flip this over, pick it up, and remember the position. These writings, it says also plus, that stays for positives. They go up, they face up. So we out with the old and in with the new. So the writings, and we assign brand name, the name CR2025, this type of the battery. Positive side, it goes up. So we flip over just enough to put it on, and put everything back on in reverse order. So just the trick I found, just do it on diagonal and make couple twisted couple times so it stays in place, so it's lining up properly and sits properly in the place where it should be. Put here. And go all the way, one, and diagonal, two, then three, and four. Just double check again. Don't put it too tight, just hand tight until you meet resistance. It's good enough. That's it. Here we go. Okay, if you find this video interesting, please put the likes, hit the like button, consider subscribing. If you need any information or have any questions, leave them in the comments. I will answer them as soon as I can. See you in the next videos. Bye.